Welcome to GRTips, a video series from GR Technology. As an advanced Plex partner and Rockwell systems integrator, we're excited to highlight today's topic, the Great EDI Passport. Built and developed in-house, our Great platform includes powerful utilities like the EDI Passport, designed to extend the capabilities of your ERP system. In this session, we'll walk through why we developed the bot and how it can help you accelerate order processing more efficiently. EDI and 3PL processes can be complex and time-consuming, so we developed an advanced API solution that automates your transactions using your Plex system, eliminating that need for manual data entry. By bypassing traditional trading partner setups and value-added networks known as VANs, our EDI Passport allows you to onboard partners faster and support a wide range of document types, helping to simplify and optimize your entire EDI workflow. Think of our passport as the Rosetta Stone for EDI transactions. It translates raw EDI files like X12 or JSON into clear, readable data essential for successful processing. With our dashboard, users get a clear view of their documents to prevent chargebacks and shipment delays caused by processing errors. It's the smart way to minimize data entry mistakes, speed up the order-to-cash cycle, enhance supply chain visibility, and ensure that compliance with big box retailers. Here's an example of a transaction log for 858 and 810 documents. With quick filters and sorting, you can easily identify which transactions were posted successfully and which may need adjustments. Instead of reviewing every transaction, you can zero in on the ones that truly need your attention. You can also track details like truck numbers, dates, what was sent and received, and how each transaction was updated. This EDI Passport takes the guessing out of your environment and helps route your focus to where it is needed most. Our great platform has other tools and applications to take your business to the next level, so let us help you unlock the full potential of your manufacturing operations today by contacting our GR Tech team below. See you on the next GR Tips.